Trades by Slade on the screen, money flowing like a dream. Shots go up, shots go down, go gangster rules this town. NASDAQ flashes in his eyes, trading fast, catching highs. Buy low, sell high on cue, go gangster, always knew. Go gangster making gold, every trade, every hold, money rain from the sky. Go gangster touching high, candlestick red and green, biggest trader ever seen. In the zone, no time to rest, go gangster simply the best. Tick tock, the time goes by, golden games reaching sky. Every trade winning more, go gangster hear them roar. Gangster making gold, every trade, every hold, money rain from the sky. Go gangster touching high, NASDAQ flashes in his eyes, trading fast, catching highs. Buy low, sell high on cue, go gangster always knew. Go gangster making gold, every grade, every hold, money rain from the sky. Go gangster touching high, candlestick red and green, biggest trader ever seen. In the zone, no time to rest, go gangster simply the best. Tick tock, the time goes by, golden gains reaching sky. Every trade winning more, go gangster hear them roar. Market open, bells ring loud, go gangster draws a crowd. Live stream booms, money rolls, aiming for those trading gold. Oh God, 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 oh God. Candlestick red and green, biggest trader ever seen. In the zone, no time to rest, go gangster simply the best. Tick tock, the time goes by, golden gains reaching sky. Every trade winning more, go gangster hear them roar. Market open, bells ring loud, go gangster draws a crowd. Live stream booms, money rolls, aiming for those trading goals. Trades by Slade on the screen, money flowing like a dream. Charts go up, charts go down, go gangster rules this town. NASDAQ flashes in his eyes, trading fast, catching highs. Buy low, sell high on cue, go gangster always knew. Go gangster making gold.
Yo, 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 good morning. How's it going? Good morning, good morning. Good morning. Let me just get a few things set up and then we'll be ready to roll here. How's everybody doing this morning? What up, what up, what up? Setting up the chat so I can see everybody. What up, Stoic Caveman? What up, Saint? What up, V Gabor and Jinka Laser? Yeah, that's the OG intro laser. That's I just had a different one for the holiday. What up, Sammy? Himera I Brown. What up, what up? Good morning. Alright, dude. Let's get right on into it here. See what's going on. Let's see here. So let's go over here to the daily. So on the daily here, you can see we're kind of in this like little consolidation area. Let me do something real fast. All right, there we go. There we go. So on the daily time frame here, what up, Paul? On the daily time frame, you can see here we're just kind of in this little consolidation area. Kind of consolidating right now. Delete that. If we go over here to the 4-hour time frame, we're coming up at the moment. You can see we had a gap up and now we're working our way up on the 1 hour. Same deal here. Same deal on the 1 hour. We got a little inversion right here. 1 hour inversion came up, tapped back into it, and now coming up. That's why I have this buy side up here. I figure we're gonna come up here to this buy side area, so that's what I'm looking out for. Once we sweep that, maybe get an inversion back down is what I'm thinking. So looking out for that, and that's actually what I am gonna mark out here, and that's gonna be my plan. Got those highs there, got a 1 hour gap, boom boom, and then yeah, and then we have a 1 hour gap here. So hopefully we can tap into this 1 hour gap and then play it down. So that's the plan here. I want to get an inversion after we tap into this gap. So pretty simple here. This is all I'm going to do for it. This is my plan. No need to make it any more complicated than it is. This is my plan for right now. Let me send in the Discord real fast. This is my plan. I want to see us sweep that buy side and tap into the 1 hour fair value gap. Tap into the 1 hour fair value gap. I'll be looking for a short from there. If we close above that on the 1 hour time frame, then we are probably headed to the previous day high. And just that simple. Nice and easy. Nice and simple. That's it. Boom. Nice and easy, nice and simple there, buddy. All right. What's up, everybody? Let's get in here, see if we can see if that happens here on the lower time frames. Somebody said we're going to previous day high. Well, let's see, dude. Let's see. I think we're at least gonna get, after we sweep this high right here, we're gonna get some sort of pullback. I believe so. 1 hour FEG right there. Right here, we got another 1 hour FEG. Bang, bang. Playing FEG to FEG right here. Bada bing, bada boom. And Jinka, no, I'm not. I do, it's called higher time frame analysis. So when you want to determine a plan on where you think price is going, you hop on the higher time frame and it makes everything more clear if you do it on the higher time frames. So now we have a clear plan that we can play on the lower time frames here. Well, let's see. Here we go, and that buy side's literally right here. So from there to there, that's 65 points. Let's see, about to tap into there. Let's see, man. How was everybody's weekend? Halloween weekend and stuff. Everybody have a good time? I know I had a good time. For sure. For sure. Oh, dude, you guys didn't even tell me my lights ain't on. I look like a goober, dude. I look like a goober. My lights weren't on. I looked like a straight up goober there. But now we got the lights on. And now we're ready to roll. You guys want song requests on today? You want song requests, or you just want to rock with the old background elevator music here? 5 minute time frame right here. We got a 5 minute fair value gap. Background. All right, iBrown. We'll just do the old elevator background music. Oh man, what a day! What a dude! I'm so happy. You guys want to know why I'm so happy? You guys want to know why I'm so happy? Who wants to know? I am ecstatic. I'm ecstatic this morning. Ecstatic. I'm ecstatic. No, I'm not playing in that stupid tournament. I'm not playing in that stupid what do I look like, man? What do I look like? Let me go support another, make another guy some money by entering this tournament. They wouldn't even let me be an affiliate in the affiliate cup. So why would I go enter that thing and win? Why? For what? For what? They wouldn't put my name up there so people could sign up on my code. Why would I go enter that stupid thing? No. I'm happy because I woke up this morning. Hey, it's a good day. Ain't that right? Amen. Amen. I'm happy because I'm alive, buddy. How about that? I'm ecstatic. All right, dude. And I'm also happy because look at this right here. Look at this, man. We did the raffle here, buddy. We did the raffle. I did it last night. And we got to see who won. If you used my code and supported me this month, you were entered into the raffle here. And look at this. Pody won $500. How about that? Just for doing something you would have done anyway. Using my discount code. Born Again won $100. Himera $100. And then these won either a prop firm account or 1 free month in the premium Discord. I did it right here. A little wheel. See who won. Boom. And that's it. We spun the wheel. We see it. We saw who won. Bada bing, bada boom. So I'm going to be messaging those people today, and we'll get those prizes over to them. Yeah, Dodgers did win. Let's go. Yeah, Dodgers won. USA, go USA. No Canadians are happy today. So, yeah. Well, they're probably still happy. Canadians are always happy. It's crazy. I don't know. They're always nice, at least. Canadians are always nice, but they did lose the World Series, so they're losers. How about that? Yo, thanks for the sub, Gary. Thanks for the sub, Share Me. Let's go. Dude, let's do a poll here. Let's do a poll. From this spot right here we're in, will NQ be all right? Oh, dude, what the heck? All right, I entered the poll. I mean, I started the poll. All right. Yeah. Dude, type 1 if you're happy to be alive today. You know, you may be red. You may have already taken a trade and you may be red. But type 1 if you're happy to be alive. Buddy, cause I am. You may be red on the charts, but hey, you got to keep it into perspective. Sam Rat said, "Hello, I just joined. Can you do a quick NQ analysis?" Yeah, I got you. I got you right here. I just did it. I got you right here. Oops. Boom, there it is. Can you see it? There's the analysis. This is the 1 hour chart. My analysis is we're going to come up here, tap into this 1 hour fair value gap right here, and then I'm going to look for a short back down. There it is. That's my analysis. But Slade, that's so simple. Let's see. Did we tap it, dude? Did we tap it? We got a little tap there, didn't we? Would you guys say this is a tap? Did it tap into that? Should I be looking for a short now? We didn't sweep the buy side, but we did get a tap there, it looks like. Dude, should I be shorting this here? It looked like we tapped that 1 hour. Crap, man. Maybe I should be shorting this right now. I'm gonna wait here. I'm gonna see if we go sweep that buy side. If this 5 minute here gets inversed, buddy, I'll short it. But I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna wait on this 5 minute. 5 minute fair value gap right there. 5 minute fair value gap. If that gets inversed, then I'll start shorting it. How about that? Sounds like a good plan. Sounds like a plan, buddy. You guys like the OG? You guys like the OG template we got going on here? We got the little kitty back on stream instead of the pumpkin. We got the blue background rolling. Back to the original. Back to the original. Samrat said no, we gotta wait for 9:30, I guess. We'll see. I don't think we're gonna have to wait that long. I'm gonna find something here, though. I'll find something here shortly. Let me turn on the indicator here, brother. Uh-oh, it's coming down. Dang, dude. 5 minute. It's coming down, dude. Man. It's been doing it. It did this in the London session too, dude. It's annoying. It did the same thing in the London session. Look, you want to see? You want to see what my plan was this morning? For the London session, my plan was... We were right down here, dude. This was the London session this morning, and I was sitting here waiting on it, dude. So we had this 5-minute fair value gap right here, right? And I saw this closing above here, and I didn't want to enter because I said my plan was, look, we have this new day opening gap. It'll be closed right down here. I said, I think this is going to be a fake out, and 9 times out of 10, this would be a fake out, and it would come down here, close this gap, and then you'd get the move, and it would just come up. Well, that didn't happen. That didn't happen, and it just like went almost close to it and right up, and I hope the same thing's not happening here, dude. Like literally right here close to this buy side, and if it doesn't come up and sweep this buy side, dude, and it just dumps from here, that'd be freaking brutal. Okay, I'll be honest. But if this 5-minute closes without tapping this, I'm gonna smack it short. I'm gonna give it a try. It closes in 2 minutes. Samuel said, hey, I found myself in a position where I am free from work just over a month. I am really wanting to start trading. I don't want to rush into it, but what would some of your advice be? Join the premium. Join the premium, and you'll learn a whole lot. Yo, we only got 23 likes on here. You guys are the worst. You guys are the worst. 23 likes. What the heck, man? Let's just turn the stream off. Frank Mortimer said that's good advice. I mean, it is, dude. I mean, what do you want me to? I can't make somebody profitable in 5 minutes on YouTube, dude. It's not gonna happen. It's just not gonna happen. Some good advice would be join the premium, and I mean, I have an education in there, learn a whole lot. You can watch me live trade every single day. And each day I'll show you exactly what I'm looking for, how I enter, exit, everything, dude. You get the whole thing. But I can't make somebody profitable in 5 minutes on YouTube. Sam Rat said, I have 100K instant fund of the account with 2,500 daily drawdown limit. I take 1 to 2 trades a day after 9:30. How much should I risk per trade if the minimum payout requirement is 6,000? Hang on. Let me see how this candle's gonna do here. All right, dude, I'm gonna paper it. I'm gonna paper it here, boys. I'm not gonna enter on my fundeds here, but if it does go, I want to be in it. Ooh. Got some LRLR right here. Now, if it came up here and swept this buy side and then we got an inversion, I'd enter that one on my fundeds. I would, it would. All right, let's see here. Bro, what do you think of binary trading? I don't know. I tried it before. I don't like it. If you have a 100K instant funded account with a 2,500 daily drawdown limit, you take 1 to 2 trades a day after 9:30. How much should I risk per trade if the minimum payout requirement is 6,000? Probably risk like $500 a trade. That's what I would do. I would risk about 500. Let's go, Devin. Said our charts look the same this morning for chart up after last night, bro. Me and Devin had a one-on-one session last night. Got Devin locked in, ready to roll. Let's go, bro. Let's go. We got 34 likes on here. 34 likes on the stream. Yo, Afan, thanks for the sub. Oh, man, dude. We're getting destroyed. We're getting destroyed right here. Golly, man. Look at this. What the heck, NQ? You're supposed to be my friend. We're getting destroyed. Guys, we're getting absolutely destroyed. How about this? Ikra said, pair name, please. This is NQ, NASDAQ Futures. What are the currency pairs that are traded? NQ, NASDAQ Futures. Dude, I did have a sick call out on gold this morning, though. Look at this. Look at this, man. I told everybody this was going to play out. I should have taken the trade. NQ was right here. We got this closure right here. Boom. We swept the Asian high. Swept the Asian high, came back up. And then we got this inversion. I said, boom, this is what's going to happen. And right down, it happened. Should have taken it. But I was focusing on the NASDAQ, man. The NASDAQ. We're focusing on the NASDAQ, just watching it fly up this morning. And Jinka said, at the moment, your trade is kind of cooked, but your plan is solid. Guys, is this cooked? I don't know. I don't know. It don't look cooked. I mean, it hasn't closed back above the 5-minute inversion, but I don't know. It don't look cooked at the moment. I mean, I'd say it's being cooked if it starts to close back above here. You know? But yeah. Right now, look at that, dude. And is it really cooked? I mean, come on. Is it cooked? Is it cooked? I don't know. We're green, though, but I don't know. It might be cooked. Whoa! It's cooked! It's cooked, chat. It's cooked. Oh, my God, this trade. It's cooked. God. It's cooked. Man, it's cooked. Laser says, I don't know where to put TP though. Let's see. I mean, you could put it at these lows. I got this bottom of this low right here where it's touching this 1 hour fair value gap would be good. A good TP. See, you could put it here because on the 1 minute time frame, we got a 1 minute fair value gap. So if you want to be safe, you could go to break even. That's probably what I'm going to do. We got a 1 minute fair value gap right here. I'm going to go to break even there. One minute FVG right there. So that'd be a good place to go to break even. That 1 minute fair value gap. And then just some lows. So you got a low right here. Low right here you could target, and then pretty much right here in this 1 hour fair value gap would be a really good target. But right here you can go to break even. That's what I'm gonna do on this here. And I'm gonna turn off something on this indicator that's annoying as piss. All right, break even, boys. I'm gonna switch it on over here to break even. All right, there it is. I'm gonna go ahead and go to break even. It got close enough. I would go to break even there. Let's see, dude. It might come up. This might get break even right here, but at least I would have given it a try. Yo, thanks for the sub. It's a sub party. Dude, 37 likes, dude. You're gonna make me mad, okay? I'm gonna turn into the Hulk in a minute if you guys don't hit the friggin' like button. I don't know what I gotta do here. We got 100 people in here and 30 likes. I'm a freaking scrub. I'm a freaking scrub. Yeah, Johnny, this is a paper trade, dude. I would have taken a real trade if it swept this buy side up here, which it probably is about to come due. Cause I just got stopped at break even. But if this candle right here, you see how close it was? It didn't sweep this buy side. So literally, if this would have came up, swept this buy side, and then we got this, buddy, I would have been ending on my funded account. But you got to keep it a mentality. You only want to take A+ setups on your funded accounts. So that's what I do. This one wasn't A+ because we didn't sweep this buy side here. We have some liquidity resting up here, and we didn't sweep it. See that wick? Didn't sweep that wick right there. So it's not ideal. Let's just say it like that. It's not ideal. I got stopped at break even here. Yo, let's go. Dude. Let's see it. Type 1 if you're profitable, type 2 if you're unprofitable. I want to see. Let me see who's profitable and who's unprofitable in here. It's I'm not going to judge you either. I literally just want to know. And don't lie either. If you're unprofitable, there's nothing wrong with it, you know. It's just one of those things. It's one of those things everybody goes through. Tea Coffee, Tony, Sanj Live, let's go. Frank Mortimer, Big Gabor, and Jinka, let's go. Coach Canute. Joe Quinn's Monomyth. Let's go. Johnny. Yo Son, Shadow X Plim. Matt Rad said no trades yet, still on the bike. Let's go. Still on the bike. What the Who is this, bro? Somebody in the chat here. Impersonating. Hoax said, stay consistent, follow your strategy, accept the strategy, ignore anyone who isn't trading your strategy. You'll make the 500K. It's possible. Let's go. Yo, appreciate it. Appreciate all the subs, everybody. Welcome in. Welcome in. Welcome in. Yo, it's a freaking sub train. We're on a sub train, buddy. And I'm not getting off. God, dude, how many subs was that just then? Oh my God, do I need to turn the thing off, dude? Do I need to turn it off? It keeps going. Let me know if you think it's annoying. We just keep getting subs. It's crazy. Let's go. Appreciate it, everybody. Let's go Bangs. Let's go Kendrick, Israel, Godwin, Seliman, Anuj. The dodgy indicator sold? Nah, dude, I'm on it. It didn't call it out. Not with my settings, at least. These are my settings. I don't know if you have this on. This. But I make it have to be, mine ain't showing it, so I don't know. Mine hasn't showed anything all morning, really, though. It showed something down here. But mine ain't been showing anything all morning. I don't know what's going on with it. Bro, some people put standing ovation sound to every sub. That does get annoying. Yeah. I could turn it down. Let me see. Let me delete it and re-add it. See if that's the problem. Are you on the MNQ chart or the NQ? Laser. Are you looking at MNQ or NQ? Yo, EDM. Edom, thanks for the sub. Let's see if the 1 minute chart called out anything here. Oh, dude, it's about to go up. 1 minute's got a long here. I hope it fails. 5 minute doesn't have anything though. Let's see. Can we dump? Yo, Hydra, thanks for a sub, buddy. Welcome in. We got 100 people in here. We got 50 likes on the stream. If you're on the vertical stream, I got 2 streams going right now. The other one's a horizontal stream, and it's a lot better if you want to hop over there. It shows a lot more of the screen and everything if you're on the vertical. Yo, Son said short. Israel said, I love the sub notification. Sounds satisfying. Oh, yeah. Satisfying. What up, Benny? Mark said, gold futures. Nah, this is NASDAQ. The NQ futures. Johnny said, I passed to evals, but down on both of them. No trades today yet, though. Michael J. Huddleston's in here. The man ICT himself. We know what that guy dressed up for is Halloween. All right, 1 minute, 1 minute called out along here on the indicator. So I do think it's going to come up here, sweep this buy side out. And then if that happens, I will enter on my funded accounts. If we come up, sweep this buy side and then get an inversion, buddy, I'll enter on my funded accounts for something like this right here. Sounds good, don't it? Sounds phenomenal. It sounds phenomenal. That's what I'm waiting on. That's what I'm waiting on. All right. And if you guys want to see the analysis before the stream, I'll put it up right here. Here it was. This was the analysis today. So we're still waiting on this buy side level here to get hit. It hasn't hit it yet. Waiting on it to tap up in there. And then from there, I'd look for an inversion back down. So we're still waiting on that. You see, it's a 1 hour fair value gap right here. And then right here, we got this wick up here. So I'm waiting on that to get swept and then boom, dump it back down. So that's what I'm waiting on. But for now, this paper trade got stopped at break even. And looks like was a good break even there. Looks like it was a good break even on the old paper. Laser said you stopped using no gap candles. Man, I go back and forth with them. I don't know how I feel about them. I'll turn them back on. But I can't decide how I feel about them. I'm always going back and forth with the no gap candles here. Can't decide, man. I cannot decide. Hoax said just support resistance. Man, whatever works. I'm not one of those guys that say, bro, you can't trade support and resistance. You're not going to make money. Bro, if that works, perfect. Do it. Make some money trading support and resistance. There you go. Dude, I used to do that. I got plenty of payouts trading support and resistance. But I like the inversions because I can get a super tight entry, super tight stop loss, and some pretty big targets. Laser said support resistance with IFVG makes it better. Heck yeah. Dude, but Hoax, what do you say about this here, buddy? We did close below this resistance right here. I mean, the support. We closed below the support there. See that candle? Then it came right back up. Yo, Mantis, thanks for the sub. We got 108 people in here, dude. What the heck? You guys are crazy. You guys are crazy. We got 108 people watching the stream, hanging out, chilling out. All right, dude. What's gold doing? Gold coming right back up here. Man, what an analysis this morning on gold, though. That was phenomenal. All right. Go up there. Let's see if it's going to close above this 5-minute fair value gap. 3 minutes left here. 3 minutes left. Dude, I cannot wait. Please go tap into that buy side. Muhammad said, how did you beat lick system? I don't really know what that is. All right, I hadn't closed above that 5-minute inversion yet. Waiting to see, man. I'm just needed to come take out this buy side. It might be waiting, but let's see. I want to see it boom, boom. That's what I want. Is it gonna happen? I'm gonna run and go grab a coffee real quick, dude. You guys want one? I'm gonna go grab a coffee. I'm headed to grab a coffee. You want me to grab you one while I'm out? Anjinka said better pull out early. I never pull out. I never pull out. I never pull out. Barryon said, bro, you said ask me anything. What you talking about? Oh, how can you fix your psychology? Barryon? I mean, you gotta follow your rules. But Barryon, I tell you, the easiest way to fix your psychology would be to take one trade a day. It's the easiest way, honestly. I mean, if you want me to be completely honest, take one trade a day. It's impossible. It's impossible to, get tilted and stuff. Pretty much. Take one trade, win or lose, get off the chart for the whole day. Don't even look at it till the next day. You know what I'm saying? Because by the next day, you're tilted from that trade should be over. You should be over that trade anyway and just move on to the next trade. Completely new analysis and everything. So that's the best way to that's the best way, honestly. Let me know if that helps. Let me know if you're gonna try it. But yeah, guys, I'm gonna run and grab a coffee. I'll grab you one too while I'm out. I'll be right back. I'll be back in like 3 minutes and 37 seconds. How about it? If I can find my whatever. I won't even. Let me see, dude. I'd switch back here and now I can't find stuff. All right, I'll be right back. Cheers. Cheers. What's up, boys? What up? What up? Cheers. Sorry, there was a line at the Keurig coffee shop. Man, that's phenomenal. I love the bean water, boys. I'm not gonna lie, I love the freaking bean water. I love the bean water. How close is your coffee shop to your room? I would say it's about 39 steps. 39 steps away. Look at this, dude. Dude, this thing is just gonna freaking... This thing is gonna do it again, man. It's gonna do it again. It's gonna come right up here, close to where I want to enter, and it's not gonna do it. You gotta be kidding me here, man. Come on. Mark said hot dog water is much healthier. Dude, I love the hot dog water. God. Wiener water. Mark, you can't call it hot dog water, dude. You gotta you gotta call it wiener water. I hate that stuff. I don't roll that way with the wiener water, bro. Zing 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 said, hey bro, why are we disregarding the inverse gap and CISD? Well, you talking about this one? I tried it short. I got stopped for break even. But I didn't try. I just papered it. I papered it because to get 85% win rate, you gotta wait on like perfect stuff. So perfect would be if it swept this buy side level right here. It didn't. It got real close, but it didn't take out that buy side. So for it to be perfect, it would have to take out this buy side and then get that inversion. Well, that didn't happen. So it makes the probability of winning lower. So that's kind of why I'm not really disregarding it. Like, I tried it on paper and it came down to my break even and I got stopped at break even on the way back up. But it's still respecting it. So, I mean, it could still play out down here. But we'll see. It's not going to be as high probability unless it took out this buy side level right here, though. So that's why Zing Zing Zing. Hybis said, this gold or what? Nah, this is NASDAQ. I did look at gold this morning, though. I looked at gold, dude. I called it out perfect. It was like right here. And I said, this is exactly what's going to happen. And it shot right down. Boom. Inversion right there. Swept the Asian high. Swept the Asian high. Got this inversion. And right down it came. But I don't really trade gold too much. Yeah, I don't really trade gold too much. I mainly focus on the NASDAQ. All right, dude. Coming down. What the heck? Yeah, Futch, that's what I'm saying. Laser said it's weird how on every chart it looks different. Like on your chart, it hasn't swept it, but it has on mine. Laser, are you on MNQ, bro? Let me check. Are you on MNQ? Oh, no, you trade CFDs, bro. You're probably on NAS. Yeah, bro, you're on CFDs. I'm on futures. And they're pretty similar, but slightly different. So, yeah, it is going to be. Look at that. Dude, that might be the, dude, that might be the, it did sweep it on the CFDs, bro. Ah, it swept it. It swept it on a CFD chart. I used to look at the CFD chart. Dang, dude. It might be a really good play then. A sleeper play here. We got a discrepancy here with the CFD chart and the futures chart. The CFD chart swept it. And dude, like I used to not pay for TradingView Premium, but now I do. So I used to only watch the CFD chart, and I would kill it, honestly, just by watching the CFD chart. Because like this would have been something I would have really played here. Yeah, I mean, they're pretty similar, but every now and then you'll get a discrepancy like this right here, where the CFD swept this level, but the futures chart has it. Dang, dude. Oh yeah, of course, zing, zing, zing. Of course. JJA said you went to break even early, still in though, thanks. Yeah. Yeah, I did go to break even a little early. It was supposed to be when it tapped this 1 minute fair value gap, and it didn't quite tap it. But I still went to break even on that paper trade. It came right down here close to it, but it didn't tap it. It tapped it now. Coming down here, dude. Well, I tell you what, since it left that buy side up there, it might be a good play for it to bring back up something like this now. Take the long now if it comes down. But dude, it's this, I'm not gonna lie, I'm more into the shorts here because we have this new day opening gap. We still have the freaking weekly gap over here from last week that hasn't been closed in yet. So man, I rather like shorts, but we'll see. We will see. It's coming down though. Let's see if it taps into this 1 hour gap down here. Yo, and thanks everybody for all the subs. I surely appreciate it. What up, Mosh? What up, Miss K? Stan said, where did you learn how to trade? YouTube and a lot of losing over the years. YouTube and lots and lots and lots of losing. Then finally you find something that works, you run with it, you get better at it, and yeah. Then before you know it, you got $250,000 in payouts. Man. RTH weekly gap is almost 100 points higher than Globex new week opening gap. Yeah, bro. That laser, that's exactly what I say, dude. It's not about the strategy, dude. It's about finding the draw. It's about your strategy don't make a piss if you can't figure out where price is going, dude. Every strategy loses. The main thing is like figuring out, hey, where's price going right now? The strategy is just the entry. You got to know where it's going though. Yo son said, do you use flowcharts? No, I don't. I do not. Yo, Wilburn, thanks for the sub. Thanks for the sub, Wilburn. Hey, by the way, By the way, Apex is running a sick deal right now, dude. Activation fees are only 40 bucks. They're regular 125. So if you trade with Apex, I'd probably try to pass some accounts here soon. I might even try to load up. I was gonna wait till the end of the year to load up on Apex, but $40 activation fees, pretty phenomenal. Future Boys said you sound like Theo Von. I am Theo Von, actually. I used to have a mullet. A few weeks ago, actually, and I got tired of it, and I told my girlfriend to go to the drawer and grab some scissors. I had a mullet a few weeks ago, and I told my girlfriend, I said, hey, baby, go grab the scissors out the drawer. I need you to cut it off. She cut it off. And I'm not even playing. How much does the account cost besides the fee for 50K? It's $50 because it's only 70% off. But the all-in is much cheaper than if it was 80% off. All right, dude. Well, all right, dude. I'm about to get out of here. I got to trade with the premium group in New York session today. If you wanna watch New York session, you can join the premium group. There's a 7-day free trial. You can watch for free for 7 days. So I'm about to trade the New York session in an hour. So I'm gonna get off and yeah. Laser said, how do I join the free trial? Let me drop the link real fast. Let me drop the link to the free trial. There you go. If you want to join the 7-day free trial here, there you go. You can join. But I'm about to get out of here. I got to get ready. Got to get ready to trade with the premiums. Thanks everybody for hanging out, man. I always enjoy it every morning. It's one of the brightest part of my days, just hanging out, listening to the music, having a good time. And yeah, I'm about to get out of here. Hit the like button. Hit the like button on the way out. I'll see ya. Peace.
Trades by Slade on the screen, money flowing like a dream. Shots go up, shots go down, go gangster rules this town. NASDAQ flashes in his eyes, trading fast, catching highs. Buy low, sell high on cue, go gangster, always knew. Go gangster making gold, every trade, every hold, money rain from the sky. Go gangster touching high. Candlestick, red and green, biggest trader ever seen. In the zone, no time to rest. Go gangster, simply the best. Tick tock, the time goes by. Golden games reaching sky. Every trade winning more. Go gangster, hear them roar. Gangster making gold, every trade, every hold. Money rain from the sky. Go gangster touching high. NASDAQ flashes in his eyes. Trading fast, catching highs. Buy low, sell high on cue. Go gangster, always knew. Go gangster making gold. Every grade, every hold. Money rain from the sky. Go gangster touching high. Candlestick, red and green, biggest trader ever seen. In the zone, no time to rest. Go gangster, simply the best. Tick tock, the time goes by. Golden gains reaching sky. Every trade winning more. Go gangster, hear them roar. Market open, bells ring loud. Go gangster draws a crowd. Live stream booms, money rolls. Aiming for those trading gold. Oh God, oh God, oh God, oh trader ever seen. In the zone, no time to rest. Go gangster, simply the best. Tick tock, the time goes by. Golden gains reach its sky. Every trade winning more. Go gangster, hear them roar. Market open, bells ring loud. Go gangster draws a crowd. Live stream booms, money rolls. Aiming for those trading goals. Tradeify slayed on the screen, money flowing like a dream. Charts go up, charts go down, go gangster rules this town. NASDAQ flashes in his eyes, trading fast, catching highs. Buy low, sell high, on cue, go gangster, always new.